Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another crock-pot meal, and this is going to be cheesy ravioli lasagna. This is a super easy, affordable dish. I found my ravioli at the Dollar Tree actually because my Walmart was completely sold out 2 times that I'd went. You're going to need pasta sauce. You're going to need cheese for the end, so I picked up some triple cheddar. And you're also going to need a mild ground Italian sausage or ground beef for this. Served with garlic bread, and the meal is ready to go. I love these ideas for especially mommies who work or even stay at home mommies. This is a perfect recipe to throw in your crock pot and cook on low before you drop the kids off at school, while you're at work, and then you come home and your meal is ready for you. So I love this idea. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to brown up your meat and drain any fat when it's done. After you've browned your meat, drained it, put it in a mixing bowl. And I would suggest, if you are going to put this on before you're getting the kids off to school and things like that, I would definitely do your burger or your sausage the night before or even a week ahead of time and just freeze it, and then that would make the recipe even easier. And next up, you're going to add your sauce to this mix. Mix all of that together. Once you have your meat and sauce mixture, just go ahead and set that to the side for a moment. And next we are going to be working with our crock pot. So I have sprayed mine with non-stick. It makes for easier cleanup at the end of the day. Or you could just use crock pot liners. That is completely up to you. Go ahead and open your raviolis, and we're going to start layering. So you're just going to do a meat layer, meat and sauce, and layer your ravioli. You want to continue this process until you have no raviolis or no sauce left. Okay, we have everything layered up nicely in our crock pot. We've moved over to the actual crock pot itself, and you can cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. We're going to cook this on high today for 4 hours. Threw the lid on there, and I will see you guys in 4 hours, and then we'll do our cheese layering and serve it with our garlic bread. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, another recipe down. Here we are 4 hours later, and 10 minutes before serving this is when you want to add your cheese. Let that sit 10 minutes before serving. While our cheese is melting for the 10 minutes before serving, I'm going to throw in my garlic bread. So I have that prepared, and that is our meal. Here is the cheesy ravioli lasagna, done, completed. Literally 4.5 hours later, you guys. This smells absolutely delicious. As always, in the description box will give you a little insight on how the recipe did in our household, if we loved it, if we hated it, what we do differently. Also, there is additional links to In the Kitchen video playlist, and always stay tuned because I have tons of plans for upcoming meals and recipes. Can put some more shredded cheese on top if you'd like, Parmesan cheese. So easy and quick, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more In the Kitchen videos.